I already have my foundation and concealer on. To start off, I'm going to use my new Warm Wishes Effortless Bronzer Stick in Happy Soul to softly sculpt my face. I love this product because I can just swipe it on, blend, and go. This formula glides on seamlessly and instantly melts into my skin. I'm going to use my foundation brush right now, but you could also use the Soft Pinch blush brush to blend it in. Look at how much it actually looks like my skin. It gives you this natural sun-kissed warmth and doesn't fade. Next, I'm going to set my makeup using the Always an Optimus Soft Radiance Setting Powder in Light. This setting powder does it all. It smooths, blurs, and sets my makeup. It helps my skin look and feel its best all day long. I'm gonna try it. Okay. It has this beautiful gold monogram on the top and I just love it. We made sure that you could lock it in place so it doesn't get everywhere when you throw it in your bag. I know that you guys know what I'm talking about. Also, I love that you don't ever have to worry about flashback or for it looking cakey. It's completely talc-free. Now I'm going to add a pop of color to my cheeks with Soft Pinch Liquid Blush. We just launched 3 new shades, so right now I'm loving the shade Encourage. It's a soft neutral pink with a dewy finish. I've been watching all of you apply this on TikTok and you only need a small amount because a little goes a long way. Okay. 1 little dot. That's it, believe it or not. This product is so pigmented and gives this natural dewy flush. Now I'm going to apply my Perfect Strokes Universal Volumizing Mascara. This mascara is truly universal. For my lip, I'm going to mix Lip Souffle Matte Lip Cream in Courage and Stay Vulnerable Glossy Lip Balm in Nearly Rose. I love mixing these two together to create a neutral glossy pink look. To finish off the look, I'm going to set my makeup using my Always an Optimus 4-in-1 Mist. It smells so good. It's like a spa in a bottle. You're gonna kind of apply it a little bit like 8 inches away from your face. I don't know the exact measurement, but I'm just gonna say from here. This is awesome because you could just apply it all day and it won't really mess up your makeup or anything. It's like just a refresh. Thank you for hanging out and getting ready with me. I can't wait to do it again soon. Until then, you can shop my new spring collection only at Sephora. Bye guys.